Come top of the mat. Your left knee down. Left knee down. Stretch your pelvic region like this. Please ध्यान रखिए your ankle under your knee. Don't put like that. Okay. Now stretch here your both hand up and join the palm. Both hand up. 1, 2 under your knee. 3, 4. Remove. 5, 6. Sir, little bit forward your foot. 7. Forward your foot. 8. Very good. Very good. 9, 10. Stay there, please. Now, your left hand here. Okay. Tuck your toe inside. Knee up. Back knee up. Your left knee up and right hand up. Left knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4. ऐसे. 5, 6. Left hand up. Now, down here. Please, like this. Toe release and your knee should be outside like this. And your right hand back. Right hand back, sir. Right hand, sir. Right hand, sir. Right hand back to, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax, please. Now, back your leg in mountain pose and shake your leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your left leg forward, please. Left leg forward, sir. Left foot, sir. Yes. And stretch your hand upside. Yes. 1. पाँव थोड़ा आगे. 5. Yes, it is okay. 6. Slowly, आराम से. 6, 7, 8. Wrong your feet. 9 here. Yes. Now, sir, your right hand down, and knee up, sir. Sir, don't switch, please. Your left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your left foot forward like this. 7. Left foot. Yes. 8. Yes. Arms. Relax, please. Now, your left leg outside and your hand back. Left hand back. Yes, very good. 1. Left hand back, madam. 2, 3. Very good, sir. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parvatasana. That is shake leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg up. Stretch please up. Right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now your right leg forward like this, please. So right leg forward. And your hand here and stretch back like this. 1. Yes. 2, 3. Back like no. Hand down. 8. Sir, like this. 9, 10. Yes. Now drop your body like this, please. And look forward. Yes. 1, 2. Very good, sir. 3. Leg stretch. 4. Yes. Now it is good. 7. Sir, look forward. Like this. Yes. Stretch your pelvic region. Again, mountain pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg up. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg forward, please. Yes. Like stretch here. Like this. 1. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now down like this. Stretch your pelvic region. Stretch your pelvic region like this. 1. Third, elbow back straight like this. 3, 4, and keep gentle and smile. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, long inhale. Exhale. Now back your leg and come the cat pose like this. Now your back leg straight. Right leg. Right leg straight and like this, please. Only up and down. 1, 2, sir. 3, 5, 6. Back straight, only leg up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and hold, please. Up. Leg up. This one, leg up, leg up. 1, yes. 2, 3, look up. 4, 5, more up. 5, 6, stay here. 7, 8, look up, sir. 5 to 20. 8, down. Switch your leg, please. Inhale up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Leg straight, madam. Why are you bending? Up. Down. Up. Not bend, na, ma'am. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up and hold, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More up. 6. Look up, sir. 7, 8, 9, 10. Long inhale. Exhale. Now Malasana like this. Back straight. Yes, very good. Push your knee outside with your muscles, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Drop your hand, please. Now with your hand, catch your ankles and look forward like this. Sir, inside, sir. Here. Yes. Look forward. 1, 2. Yes. Look up. 3. Very good. 4, 5. Look up. The 5 to 20. 6. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Drop your hip region. Leg forward and shake your leg. Long inhale. Exhale. Now your right leg forward and your right hand back. Left hand up. Sorry. Your left hand back here. Right hand up. Long inhale. Exhale. Catch your left foot with the right hand. Touch your head with the knee. 1. Yes, sir. 2. Very good. 3. Keep your leg. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Switch your leg, please. Your right hand back. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Now Paschimottanasana, please. Inhale up. Exhale down like this. Down. Close your hand like this. 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, you can hold. 4. Induji. 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Keep both hand here. Hold the leg. Tight your glutes like this. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Up, down, up, and hold please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More up. 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Shake leg please. Now catch your ankles in the both hands and stretch your leg upside like this. Touch your head with the knee please. More up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Switch your leg. Up. 1. To more stretch your leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale and exhale. As well as relax please your both hand back here like this. Foot should be straight and like inhale up. Complete body up and hold. You tight your glutes here please. Up. More up. Yes, very good sir. 2, 3. More up. 5. Shabash. 6. All of you. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Long inhale and exhale. Just lie down on your back. Okay. Here. Long inhale and exhale. Now your right leg up, stretch here please. Ankle is on catch and touch your head with the knee. Yes, more stretch your leg. Thighs, engage thighs muscles tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. More. 5. Tight. 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Switch your leg please. 1. Shabash. 2. Yes. 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now hold the leg like this here. Baby pose. Your both hand here. Catch your foot from outside. And push your knee like this. Look up. 1, 2. Yes. 3. Push your knee. 4, 5. Lift up. 6. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now you both hand interlock here please under hip position. Inhale up like this. Inhale up and down. Inhale, push your pelvic region up. Setu Bandhasana, tight your glutes and down. Inhale up, down. Upper part down, sir. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Lie down, sir. Padkondi. Yes. Inhale up, push your pelvic region up. Yes. Down. Inhale up, down. Up, down, up, and hold please. 1, 2, 3, pitch, 4, yes, 5, more up, 6, 7, tight up, 8, 9, 10, relax please. Long inhale and exhale. Now Pavanamuktasana is the alternate like this. 1, alternate like this. 2, alternate. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold please. Push and hold. Don't up your neck. 1, 2. Hold sir. 3, 4. Close. 5. Touch your head. 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Both legs. 1. Other leg. 1, 2. Yes. Other leg sir. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your both legs please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Legs please. Long inhale and exhale.